before in the past. That beer. Oh, Jesus! 3 for children. Now we're going. I'll say that.
So Chris, stop burping!
Sorry, it's when you make. It's when you.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh!
Could you taste that roast chicken that I had?
My God!
Am I the only one?
Ooh, don't burp.
As best you can.
Attractive. Obviously, they're not. Number 7. Things you. I just had pizza. That's not the answer. Where we were walking. Excuse me. Girl, like, if a girl, like. Excuse me. It's gonna be fuck. Hometown.
Dance. I can be famous on Instagram. And go ham sandwich.
I prefer egg salad.
Can't save it.
We use it to prank call.
Dared him to call his brother and say something. So, Andrew? Say, hello?
Hello? Hello?
Stop.
I don't want to play beefaroni. Holy.
Sir.
You guys done?
I've been waiting. I said cultivate. Of course I love Vine.
That was a burp.
Hey guys, what is up? Pardon me.
The cell phone's fine. I'm gonna
Skype when we were talking about buying .coms. We can really impersonate you or me. Hey, what's up guys? So, I mean, Apple.
Very unpleasant. Oh, disgusting.
Game week. And it's really late, and so our game is we're gonna ask this is my shoe, and if they get it, if 4:30, and if we get it wrong, we get silly stringed in the face. I hope to entertain you.